Good morning to all. I welcome you. The most easiest topic in a secondary English is interpretation of non-verbal information. Interpretation of non-verbal information. Non-verbal information means to the information, giving information to the picturization, to the pictures. That is called non-verbal information. Non-verbal information. So our mind is designed to capture the information easily, which is in the diagrammatic form. Okay, we can't remember the information what you read in the paragraphs, but you can remember for a long time the information which you read through the pictures. Is it clear? So that the picturization is the most important nowadays. So I don't want to explain all those things. So in the first year you have to learn what are the pie charts, what is the form of pie chart, and what is the form of T diagrams, and what are the forms of flow charts and table forms and the bar graphs. But in the second year you need not to draw a picture. So in the examination paper you are given what is that one short pie chart or tree diagram or flow chart or table form or bar graph. So you have to, and under this pie chart or flow chart or tree diagram or any picture, you are given 5 questions. You are given how many questions? 5 questions. You have to answer these 5 questions with the help of the information given in the picture. That's enough. Is it clear, ma? It's very easy. If you lost 1 mark, you will not get more than 90. So getting more than 90 is difficult. It's tough. It's very tough in second year. But if you lost 1 mark in this session, and like this session, there is one more topic is there, that is advertisement, and that is also very simple one. So this is the first one is pie chart. This is the picture, and those are the 5 questions. The picture, observe the picture. The title of the picture is how much water do you use? How much water do we use daily? How much water do we use daily? So the daily uses of water given in the pie chart. The first one is toilet, 26.7%. For shower, for bathing, 6.8%, and faucets, taps in gardens, outside of the home, okay, 15.7%, and clothes washer for washing clothes, 21.7%. Leaks, the leakages of water to the plumbing or tanks, 13.7%, and other uses of water is 5.3. These three. Okay. So one is the toilets, shower, faucets, and clothes washer, leaks and others. So under the pie chart you are given source. Source means the textbook designer got this information from this source. What is the source? American Water Works Association Research Foundation. From this source, the textbook designer got this information. I think it's clear. And come to the examples now. Questions now. What does pie chart show? So every paragraph, every non-verbal picture. First question is what is the title itself. So what does pie chart show, or what does pie chart describe, or what does pie chart depict? Okay, so you have to write what is the title, or you have to write it clearly. How much water do we use? So this is the answer, but we have to write in another paragraph. So the amount of water the amount of daily usage water, the amount of daily usage water, or you can write this one, what is that, how much water do we use, how much water do we use, or the amount of water daily used. Is it clear? This is the first question answer. How much of daily usage water, daily usage water. And second question, for what we use maximum water. Maximum means high, minimum means low. Maximum, minimum. So for what do we use the maximum water? So what is the highest percentage in the given pie chart? 26. What is that answer? Toilet. The maximum water used for what is that? Toilets. Answer is what is that? Toilets. You can write complete sentence, or you can write what is that? Only toilet. You are given marks. No problem. How many types of uses of water is taken in the diagram? How many types? You have to understand the question clearly. Don't get what is that? Hurry. So how many types of uses of water is taken in the diagram? Taken in the diagram. How many? You have to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And others also taken as a 1. So how many? 6. Answer is 6 types. How many times? 6 types. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. And next one, how much water is wasted on leaks? How much water is wasted on leaks? So leaks, where is the leaks? Yes, this is the leaks. So question is, what is that? How much water is wasted on leaks? How much water? 30.7%. 13.7% of water is wasted on leaks. The last question, what is the source of information? What is the source of information? This is the source. American Water Works Association Research Foundation. This is. So if you write like this, you will get definitely how many marks? 5 marks. It is the easiest one. Okay. You are given how many? Pie chart sum, tree diagram sum, flow chart sum, and table form sum, and bar graph sums. Is it clear? It is the easiest topic. You will definitely get 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5. Thank you very much. We will meet in the next session.